Hi, good morning all of you. Welcome to my education channel. నేను మీ వినోద్ కుమార్ కంప్యూటర్ లెక్చరర్. ఈరోజు చెప్పబోయేది ఏంటంటే సెకండ్ ఇయర్ థర్డ్ సెమిస్టర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఓరియంటెడ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ విత్ జావా. What is Java? Java is a high-level language. It's developed in James Gosling in Sun Microsystem in 1991. What is the idea of Java? First one is, what is IDE? IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. The first one is text editor. Text editor like document, HTML document or document. And second one is Java compiler. Second one is Java compiler. Some languages are discussed about. First one is (1957) Algol. It means algorithmic language. And next 1959 COBOL language. COBOL, Common Oriented Business Language. And 1916 Fortran language. Fortran, Formula Transaction Language. And 1964 CPL. CPL means Combined Programming Language. And 1967 BCPL, Business Common Programming Language. This is developed by Martin Pritchard at T.N. Bell Laboratories in USA. In 1970 B language developed by Ken Thompson. In 1972 C language developed by Dennis Rich. 1972 C language developed Dennis Rich at T.N. Bell Laboratories, USA. In 1983 C++ developed Bar Strausser developed at T.N. Bell Laboratories in USA. And 1991 Java language developed by father of Java in James Gosling. Another way to discuss how to create program in Java, how to set path in Java, required hardware and terminology in Java. Discuss how to create a Java program. First one is coding. First one is logic preparation, like pictorial form. And second one is sentence form. That is flowcharts, that is algorithms. And second one is coding. And third one is transformation. And fourth one is execution. And fourth one is execution. First, logic preparation. Flow the controls of forms, that is, these symbols are used: start and stop. These symbols are used: read or write, read or write, input or output symbol. This is sub-contents, and this is connector. This is flow controls, and this is decision making symbols. These are flow symbols. And second, JDK, how to download, how to require Java hardware software. First one is JDK. It means Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. These are classified into two types. First one is compiler, and second one is JRE. It means Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. The compiler to compile the program .class file, that is bytecode. The JRM is divide JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. To write the Java program, to compile the program in compiler, Java compiler, it has .class files. To connect the JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. In run on different operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac operating system. The program running anywhere. Next one is Java versions. And first one is JSE. It means Java Standard Edition. And second one is JVM, Java Virtual Machine. And third one is J2ME, Java Micro Edition. And fourth one is J2E, Java Enterprise Edition. And third one and fifth one is JDK 1.6, nothing but Java Development Kit.
Java Development Kit. Library, standard library functions. Java standard library functions. JSL. It means Java standard library. Java standard library functions. And first one is to import the packages java.io. It means input output packages dot, this is asterisk symbol, it is pointer variable, asterisk means pointer variable. And second one is java.math, it means mathematical function like square root, log, power, seal, subtraction, multiplication, addition. These are. And next one is java dot utility package, util dot asterisk, utility packages. And fourth one is java dot awt, abstract window toolkit. These are used in web applications. Next one is, these are Java standard library functions. Next, Java program. The structure of Java program. Structure of Java program. Structure of Java program. Structure of Java program. First one is comment line. First one is comment line. This is comment line. This comment line, it is a optional. Comment line, it is optional. Syntax. This is single line comment. This is single line comment. Example, write a Java program. Sum of two numbers. And another one is multi-line comments. Multi-line comments. This is syntax. One or more lines. The program will be one or more lines, like multi-lines. These are comment line. Comment line is a optional. These are two types. First one is single line comments. Second one is multi-line comments. Next one is import packages. And second one, packages. Import packages. And second one is syntax. Java dot io dot, this is packages. Java dot io dot asterisk semicolon. This is a packages. And third one is method. Main method, class name, data functions, Next, data functions are method functions. And fourth one is main method. And fourth one is main method. Main method. Main method. First one is public. Public means private access modifiers. Public, private, protect, default. These are access modifiers keywords. And second one is static. And third one is void. And fourth one is main. String argument. Public means public. The level of access, public access modifier, it is used in the class, within the class, outside the class, within the package, outside the package. And next one is private access modifier. You can use within the class. We cannot use outside the class. And third one is protected. The protected access modifier case is used within the package. We cannot access outside the packages. And fourth one is default. Default means the packages, the access modifier keys only within the package window. We cannot use outside the function. And next element of programming element is called a tokens. The Java tokens are classified into 5 types. First one is keywords, and second one is keywords, and second one is identifiers, and third one is constants, and fourth one is operator. Keywords. Java keyword has a 64 to 70 keywords. Every keyword has own meaning. Keywords are like the cat and so on. Next, identifiers. Identifiers means it is in digits or letters, like letters and digits. Letters capital A to Z, A to Z. Digits 0 to 1, 0 to 9. And third one is constants. Constants. It is used to functions, arrays and variables. And fourth one is variables, and fifth one is operators. Operators, assignment operators, logical operator, bitwise operator, relational operator, unary operator, ternary operator. Let us stop here. Like my videos and share my videos with friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.